गुड आफ्टरनून क्लास। कल हमने चैप्टर 5 रीड किया था और उससे रिलेटेड कुछ पॉइंट्स नोट किए थे। आज हम एक्सरसाइज शुरू करेंगे। ए, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट है अ सॉल्युबल सॉलिड फॉर्म अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड इज ऑब्टेन बाय सी, एवोपरेशन। सेकंड, व्हाट इज फॉर्म व्हेन वी डिसॉल्व अ सब्सटेंस इन वाटर, solution, option C. Third, a solution in which no more substance can be dissolved at a given temperature is called A or N, saturated solution. Fourth, the heavy insoluble particles that settle down at the bottom of a solution is called sediment. Fifth, which of the following process should be used to separate salt and sand from their mixture? Filtration, evaporation, and condensation. A. Question number 6. During filtration, what do we obtain on the filter paper? A. Residue. 7th. After harvesting, food grains are separated by A. Threshing. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. A mixture having component of different sizes are separated by the process of sieving. Second, solubility of salt in water increase on heating the solution. Third, filtration and distillation can be used for separating insoluble solid from liquid. Fourth, sieve is used to separate stone and pebbles from sand at construction site. 5. Condensation method is used to obtain liquid from its solution. 6. Grain and husk can be separated by using winnowing. Question number C. State whether the following of the statement are true and false. Rewrite the follows statement correctly. First, a mixture is a substance that contains two or more substances in a definite proportion. False. Second, chalk powder and chana powder cannot be separated from their mixture by sieving. True. Third, we use a tissue paper to separate filtrate from residue. False. The fourth, the process of separating water from sugar solution involves only condensation. True. Fifth, unsaturated solution is one that cannot dissolve any more of a given solute at a particular temperature. True.